Welcome dear students, welcome to Wisdom 24 channel. Today we are going to see part 2 of trigonometry basics. Okay, in part 2 we are going to discuss the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. The ratios between the complementary angles we are going to discuss in this session. So first 2 points you have to remember before entering into this topic. The first key point is the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That's angle A plus angle B plus angle C. That is 180 degree it should be. That is the first triangle rule. Yes. Next, two angles are said to be complementary. Two angles are said to be complementary if sum of both angles is equal to 90 degree. If sum of both the angles in triangle is equal to 90 degree, then that two angles will said to be complementary. Now, see this diagram. This is a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, isn't it? Angle B is exactly 90 degree. Yeah. This spot is exactly 90 degree. So, we know that the total angle is 180. Here it is 90. So, remaining if these two, if we add means we will get 90 degree. Yes. So, we can conclude that A and C are complementary, isn't it? Yes. So, thus A and C are complementary to each other. That means if you add these both angles, it will be 90 degree. Okay. So, with the help of these basics, let me derive the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Sin A. For the sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse, thus BC by AC. For cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. For tan A, opposite side by adjacent, that is BC by AB. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, that is AC by BC, or hypotenuse by opposite we can write. Secant is hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot A, that is AB by AC. It's a reciprocal of tan, or we can say adjacent by opposite, cot A. These are all the first equation. We can give the equation number 1 for these terms. Next, this is normal times. We can say angle C is equal to 90 degree minus A, right? From this angle, because these two are complementary, this should be 90 degree minus A is C. Yes, of course. This is 90 already. Angle C should be 90 minus A, or we can say A is equal to 90 minus C. So, we can say angle C is equal to 90 degree minus A. Thus, sin 90 minus A. So, instead of sin C, we can write sin 90 minus A, because C we can write as 90 degree minus A. So, thus, sin 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Next, cos 90 minus A, that is cos C. Cos 90 minus A is adjacent, for this it is adjacent by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is AB by BC. In the same way, cosecant 90 minus A is, for this, cosecant 90 minus A is hypotenuse by opposite. Secant 90 minus A is hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot 90 minus A is cot C. Cot 90 minus A is equal to adjacent by cot 90 minus A is equal to, for this it is adjacent by opposite. It is actually AB. Cot is reciprocal of this. So, BC by AB. Yeah, it is AB. So, we can keep this as equation number 2. This set of equation is 2 and this set of equation is 1. Now, with the help of these two ratios, how we are going to find the ratios of complementary angles? Thus, we will see now. Okay, from the equation 1 and from equation 2, we are going to derive the complementary angles. Okay, see here, sin 90 minus A is AB by AC we derived. Yes. So, 90 minus A is nothing but sin C. Yeah, it's a complementary of A, right? Already I told you, in triangle, in this triangle, C is complementary for A and A is complementary for C. So, sin 90 minus A, that is sin C is equal to, sin 90 minus A is equal to, here we got AB by AC. In this equation, equation you see, sin AB by AC. Sin AB by AC, that is nothing but cos A. So sin 90 minus A is nothing but cos A. Yes, in terms of A we are speaking. Cos 90 minus A, we wrote BC by AC, that is BC by AC. So in here you see BC by AC is nothing but sin A. So cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Then tan 90 minus A is equal to AB by BC. Here you see, compare the equations, AB by BC. Cot A. So tan 90 minus A we can write as cot A. Can you see here AB by BC is cot A. So here tan 90 minus A, this value and this value. Yes, AB by BC. Yeah, this value and this value are equal. So obviously tan 90 minus A will be equal to cot A in this triangle. Yes. Next, cosecant 90 minus A also in the same way, AC by AB, that we can write as. See here, AC by AB is nothing but secant A. So secant A. Secant 90 minus A, it is AC by BC. So cosecant A. AC by BC is nothing but cosecant A. The last term, cot 90 minus A is BC by AB. So BC by AB is nothing but tan A in the triangle. So cot 90 minus A, that is cot C is equal to tan A. But in terms of A, if you are writing cot 90 minus A, because we know C is a complement of A, that is 90 minus A. So cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. So these are all the 6 terms, 6 ratios. That is a complementary angle ratios we derived from this basic triangle, right angle triangle. Thank you students. This is the part 2 of trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. Subscribe Wisdom 24 channel to get the regular updates. Thank you.